I'm stuck in jail with nobody here. Maybe nobody in the city has done any crime. Forget it. Wish I didn't even get to. Wait, I always get arrested. You know what I do? I just get arrested for no reason. Ooh. What is this? Under construction. Whoa. Okay, what is this? There's nothing under construction now. You can explode the wall? Oh my goodness. There's found some bombs. Let's go. What do I need to do? Go through it? I am not doing that again. Never. Ever. In my whole entire life. How do I escape? No police around. That's good. Never had a jail with no police. Please don't punch me. Might as well punch it. Because I haven't done a crime, but like I just don't do it. Whoa, it's sparkling. Oh my goodness. Yes, I just escaped. Oh yes. Oh no. Excuse me, sir. What are you doing? Out here outside the prison. Huh? Tell me now. Sir, I did not do anything. I was just strolling around, trying to do something. Yeah. You're arrested. What? Now? Serious? Oh yes. You can't do anything. You're going to jail once again. And I'm watching you. But, no buts. You coming with me. Oh, this is another day failed.